What's up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. Welcome back to the channel, man. So today we're going to be working on the EK. So we ended up getting a brand new ignition for it, and we're going to be slapping this in. Well, my son's going to be slapping this in because I've done this a whole bunch of times when I was his age, so I know he can do it. I'm going to show him how to do it, and probably put him on a time lapse and let him run through it. So wish him luck, guys, and let's get to the video. All right, guys, so my son just finished up installing the ignition. Sorry, I don't know where the clip ended. The memory card got full. So he's got that. Let's try it out. See if it turns on. There she works. All right, hold your foot on the brake. The other foot. All right, you don't have to hold it that hard. Now see if it goes into reverse. Yep. All right, back to park. Cool. Seems like everything's working. All the gauges are working. Cool. All right, well, you changed your first ignition. How'd it feel? All right, so hopefully that's gonna work. I mean, it's turning on every time now, when before I'd have to turn the key like 5-6 times and it would like flicker on, flicker off. Now it seems to be holding great, so one problem solved. Oh, let's see, what else can we do? So the only other thing that I'm having a problem with is this rear brake is making some noise when I'm hitting the brakes, but it's been sitting for a long time and this side was exposed to like a lot of water, so it might just be real rusty. So I think we're just gonna have to drive it around a little bit and see if we can get it to stop making noise. If not, we'll have to change the brake shoes, which, you know, is not a lot of fun on drum brakes. So yeah, let's go ahead and take it for a little ride. All right, so this car feels great, guys. It hasn't turned off on us at all. I got my son driving around. He's new to driving, so
new to this.
You know, don't give him too much hard time. Look where you're going. Yeah, man. If you guys can hear that, that's that sound I'm talking about. Oh yeah, check this out. So my neighbor, real cool guy, he's got a 2JZ turbo swap in his 240 and also in his Chevy right there. So they're both 2JZs. Pretty fucking cool. We'll have to put him on video one day if he wants to, but yeah, how's it feel, man?
Feels pretty good.
It's so quiet and smooth. Like, it feels great. Oh my gosh. Nice little stock car. It's gonna be perfect.
Oh yeah.
Heck
Can I
yeah.
put it in the same spot?
Yep. All right, guys. So now that the Civic is fixed. Oh, by the way, I went ripping it around the neighborhood. Got up to like 80 miles an hour on the highway over there, and hit the brakes really hard. And hopefully you guys can hear me over the damn plane again. But they freed up the brakes, and everything sounds great now. It stops great, and no more noise in the back, like grinding sounds. So, it's locked up. Let me get the key. So we're actually going to rob the battery from the Civic here. So let's rob this battery, and we're going to slap it in the Integra because I realized that we haven't turned it on since we connected the downpipe to the Grady 3-inch exhaust. So I'm curious to see how it sounds. I know you guys probably are too, so let me get this out of the way. Don't want to burn up. All right, so I bet you guys are curious. I'm very curious. Let's get this switched. All right, guys, so I just made a clip of the car turning on and everything, but unfortunately the mic I was using, it could not pick up the sound. Like it sounded horrible. So redoing the clip, I can't really rev it up though because my wife's doing a photo shoot inside, so you just have to hear how it sounds. I'll hit it a little bit. So I hope this camera sounds better, guys. Real deep tone, real deep tone. I think that's why my mic wasn't picking it up. It's so deep that it couldn't even hear me talking. It sounded so muffled. Set you guys right here. Hopefully you guys can hear it. That's all I'm really gonna rev it up, but it sounds pretty good, guys. Tell me what you guys think in the comments about this car, how it came out just by changing the ignition. Man, we got lucky with that. But I think the exhaust on the Integra sounds really good, and I got a couple packages coming for the EF, so stay tuned for EF content, guys. Finally went ahead and pulled the trigger on a couple things that I've been looking at, so hope you guys can hear me over all this. Let me turn this off. Yeah, man, this car runs good. It sounds great now. I'm happy the exhaust goes out the back, so I don't have to smell the fumes coming in, and it's not pointed directly at my block anymore. So I'm happy with that, guys. Progress is coming along, man. And I had to end up mowing my yard because it's crazy, and I got all the leaves up, and it's just been blowing leaves back. I'm like, come on. Just got done doing all this. It's already back. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Have a good one.